Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks effectively in player versus player combat. Mastering blocking is a fundamental skill that can significantly improve your survivability and offensive opportunities. We will cover the core mechanics, timing, and advanced strategies to turn defense into offense. Understanding when and how to block can be the difference between victory and defeat in intense engagements, giving you a significant edge over opponents. When you activate a block, your character assumes a defensive stance, often reducing incoming damage by a substantial amount, perhaps 50% or more. However, remember that blocking isn't infinite. Many games implement a stamina system or a brief cooldown period. Certain weapons, like shields, are designed for superior blocking capabilities compared to, say, a small dagger. Knowing these specifics for your game is key. Effective blocking is all about precise timing. You want to activate your block just as the enemy's attack is about to land, not too early or too late. Positioning is equally vital. Blocks are usually most effective against frontal assaults. Try to keep your opponent directly in front of you. Attempting to block when you are outnumbered or flanked by 2 or 3 enemies will often lead to being hit from an unblocked angle. Beyond basic damage reduction, advanced blocking involves using mechanics like parries or perfect blocks. These often stun or stagger your opponent, creating a window for a powerful counterattack. You can also use your block defensively to bait out an enemy's high damage ability, then punish their cooldown. Furthermore, integrate blocking with your movement to control the combat space, forcing your opponent into disadvantageous positions. This elevates your defensive play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.